Hello, in this video I'll show you how to transfer your money from Amazon gift card to PayPal, or even if it is possible. So, if you will just open the Amazon gift card section, where you will have the option to redeem a code. And if you go to the terms and condition of that page, you can clearly see that your Amazon balance cannot be used to purchase gift cards, prepaid open loop cards, or certain third-party gift cards. Gift card cannot be reloaded, resold, or used for payments outside of Amazon or any of its affiliate properties. So as you can see over here in the terms and condition, it is clearly written that you will not be able to get the money from Amazon gift card to PayPal. So the only logical option that you have in order to get your money back into your PayPal is just try to sell your Amazon gift card either on a hosting website where you can host your Amazon gift card for sale, or just sell someone that you know and needs the Amazon gift card and just simply get the money. That's the only options that you have in order to get the money back. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.